and about 6 people are ready to ride.
Yeah.
I'll see you on the other side. Cause I'll see you on the other side. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Oh, shit! Smoking this place, man! Oh, shit, 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 oh my God. I don't remember it like that.
Two circles include tags, glasses, keys, wallets, and phones especially. If anything is lost during the ride, it will be lost forever and will not be retrieved. So if you do not want to lose it, send it in those baskets. Thank you. See you platform. Platform is here. I got a very important question. Who is ready to ride? Awesome, awesome. Well, for those of you who are, enjoy your ride on Pantheon. That was a good one. Welcome back, drivers. We hope you enjoyed that ride. When the train comes to a fully please stop, please lift up on your shirts and exit quickly, carefully to your right.